Popular Afrobeat musician Davido responded as the interviewer asked him about his relationship with Wizkid. The DMW boss was recently featured in the latest episode of The Breakfast Club, where he was asked questions on various facets of his life and work. During the interview, one of the hosts had asked him about his relationship with Wizkid. He pointedly asked whether he loves his colleague, Wizkid. Bursting into laughter, he said that he loves everyone he knows. Davido noted that he's not a rebel like Burna Boy, nor does he have the air of mystery that Wizkid does. Davido emphasized that he's just himself and doesn't need to be like anyone else. He said he even joked about how some people tell him he's too friendly for a superstar. He shared that his own manager gets mad when he wears slippers around the house, but that's just how he grew up. The interview has gained traction with many sharing their thoughts online. Some praise Davido for being humble, while others think Davido is proud whenever he's compared to Wizkid. Whether it's love, respect, or a bit of competition, fans will keep watching how these top stars move to the Afrobeat world. We'll continue to supply you more trending entertainment news updates. Do well to drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching Naija News TV.